Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Living with Shay. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super amazing, delicious, and very simple appetizer that's perfect for your Christmas table. Let's get started. I'm going to be making a bacon ranch cheese ball. You can put this on a nice charger plate. Line it with some pork rinds, or just, put it in a bowl and put your pork rinds next to it, or whatever you want to use to dip it. Maybe some veggie sticks, some maybe some cucumbers or some celery sticks, something like that. So I'm going to be using a shortcut. I have my Costco bacon crumbles. You can use real bacon. I've made this before for some people with turkey bacon. So I'm using my Old Faithful. This is going to be a super fast recipe. So I'm using the Costco bacon crumbles. I'm going to slice up some green onions. I have a Hidden Valley Ranch packet. You can use any kind of ranch that you choose, or you can just omit the ranch completely. I have a tablespoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of black pepper. Between the ranch and the cream cheese and the bacon, this is going to be plenty salty. You don't really need to salt this. And I'm going to be using 32 ounces of cream cheese. That is the equivalent of 3 bars. Let it set out to almost room temperature, just so it's real pliable. I'm going to mix this in my blender and show you guys how I put this together. Okay guys, I'm putting the 32 ounces or the 3 blocks of cream cheese in the mixing bowl. I think I said blender before. It's easier to use a mixer. We're going to add the 32 ounces of cream cheese, then the Hidden Valley Ranch packet. That's the ranch dressing that I'm using today. We're going to use the complete packet. Then we'll start. We're going to mix this on low. Okay, that was almost a minute. Now I'm going to add in the onion powder and the black pepper. I'm going to scrape the sides down a little bit. Okay, everything is mixed together. I'm going to remove this and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so here's the mixture all together. It's still pretty thick, but everything is incorporated through. So now I'm placing a large piece of plastic wrap, and I'm going to put all the mixture inside the plastic wrap and try to form a ball. I'm going to put on food gloves because this is going to it could get messy. So we're going to add the mixture. So you just mix it around, shape it around how you need. Don't worry at all if it gets a little messy, as long as you get the shape that you want. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours just to let it set. Remember, everything is already mixed in, so if you wanted to add the bacon crumbles inside your mixture, you can do that. But this is plenty flavorful, so I'm going to add this into the refrigerator, and then I'll show you guys how I'm going to slice everything up and then roll the ball. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I'm going to add in my bacon crumbles and my green onions into this pan. I'm going to be using this dish to hold all my green onions and the bacon so I can roll the ball in it easily. So you can kind of eyeball this. You may use a cup and a half of bacon. It just depends. If I need to add more, I will. Some of it, of course, is going to fall off. So So here are the bacon crumbles. Now I'm going to slice up my green onions. Here is my green onion and bacon mixture. So now I'm going to set that aside. Okay. So I have my cheese ball here. And I'm going to sit it in the mixture and just kind of go around it and push. So you just work it around and push the mixture, the onion and bacon mixture, in each like empty spot. So I might fast forward this. Let's just move it around. Drop off some excess. Spread it out some more. This thing smells so good. Let's turn it around. And keep shaping it. And I'm gonna add a few more bacon crumbles. And then I'll be done. Just kind of mix it around. Pick it up gently. So instead of just doing a Instagram photo, I wanted to show you guys what the process was like completely. So now I'm going to put it on my serving tray. Okay, so here is the finished cheese ball. This is what it looks like. I've gone around and sort of pressed everything into the blank spaces. And I'm just giving you guys an example of how you can serve it. So I don't have that many pork rinds left. Otherwise it would have been a completely filled tray. But this is the idea. So you can have this, the cheese bowl just separate, the cheese ball just separate, or you can just, you know, put it together like this. It's a very simple appetizer. It's a very delicious appetizer because who doesn't like cream cheese? And if you wanted to, you could have even put shredded cheese in the bacon and green onion mixture. And that way it could have had like an extra cheese flavor on the outside. But trust me, this is great. This is delicious. You don't need to add anything else to it. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.